Something that's looking pretty decent. Alright, so for those of you that don't fish, this is what's called a popper. So that's actually what I carved out here. It's just a popper. So I'm just about to add the hooks on. That's pretty much all that's left for this. Okay, so if there's going to be a weak point, I'm pretty sure it's going to be this back hook. I broke off one of the screws when I was trying to put it in right here, or actually two of them. So I ended up having to hang the hook here, but it still didn't felt like these screws were bending when I was screwing them in, so I don't know, we'll see. But other than that, it's good to go. Alright, looking good, looking good. So I've been watching these birds behind me. They'll come like every 3 minutes. They'll be here and then they'll be building their nest. And after they finish up using all their materials, they'll leave again for another 3 minutes and gather it and come back and keep building. It's pretty interesting to watch. Well, the good thing is that I actually see some sunfish today. I haven't seen any bass yet, which would be the most likely thing to take this lure, I'm thinking, but maybe a large sunfish will. Oh, something had it. Oh my gosh. There we go. Oh, that's a good fish. Come on, stay on. Ooh, stay on. Oh, oh yes, man. Woo! 30 minutes and 19 seconds in. 30 minutes and 19 seconds in. I got one. Woo! Alright, man, we're 3 of 3. 3 of 3. Anybody got anything else? Let me know. What lure next?